Do you know the last 10 minutes before you fall asleep are the most powerful moments of your entire day? Because in that short window, your conscious mind slows down and your subconscious mind becomes wide open, like a sponge, ready to absorb whatever you feed it. Now here's the good news. If you create the right night routine, you can literally reprogram your subconscious mind while you sleep. In this video, I'll share a simple but powerful night routine that can shift your mindset, improve your sleep, and slowly reshape your life. Let me share you why night routine matters. Think about it. When you go to bed after watching negative news, scrolling endlessly on social media, or worrying about tomorrow's problems, what happens? Your subconscious mind quietly keeps replaying those same negative patterns all night. But if instead, you end your day with gratitude, positive affirmations, and visualization of the life you want, then your subconscious will work like a silent partner, reinforcing those positive thoughts while you sleep. That's why your night routine matters more than you realize. It decides what your subconscious is busy working on for the next 6 to 8 hours. Let me give you 4 simple but powerful steps you can include in your night routine. First step is gratitude journaling. Before you sleep, write down just 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big. It could be, I had a good cup of tea today, or I had a meaningful conversation with a friend. Gratitude immediately shifts your subconscious into abundance mode. Second step is visualization. Close your eyes and imagine a scene of the life you want. Maybe you see yourself in your dream home, or walking confidently into your new office, or even enjoying peace and health. The subconscious works best with images, so give it a picture to play with. Third step is positive affirmations. Speak a few lines softly or in your mind. For example, I am confident. I am capable. My future is bright. Repetition before sleep imprints these beliefs deeply. Fourth step is avoid negativity. This is just as important. Don't fall asleep after an argument, scary news, or stressful content. Your subconscious doesn't know what's real or fake. It just records. Now let's put this together into a 15-minute night routine you can try tonight. Step 1. Spend 5 minutes writing 3 things you're grateful for. Step 2. Close your eyes and visualize one future goal as if it's already happening. Step 3. Spend 5 minutes saying or silently repeating affirmations that make you feel strong and peaceful. Step 4. Finally, put away your phone, switch off the noise, and allow yourself to drift into sleep peacefully. That's it. Simple, right? But when done consistently, this routine can completely transform how you think and feel. Now you might ask, does this really work? Yes, and here's why. When you sleep, your brain shifts into slower brainwave states like theta and delta. That's the zone where the subconscious is most active. So whatever you feed it before sleep, gratitude, images, affirmations, gets replayed again and again overnight. Over time, this creates new patterns, reduces stress, improves sleep quality, and makes your mornings lighter and more energetic. Many successful people actually swear by this simple practice. So here's my challenge to you. Try this night routine for just 7 days. Give yourself those 15 minutes before bed and see how your mornings start to feel different. You'll notice a calmer mind, better focus, and even unexpected positive changes in your life. If you try it, let me know your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story. And don't forget, in the last video, we talked about the morning routine for the subconscious mind, which is just as powerful as the night routine.